Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss the super keyword in Java. The super keyword refers the immediate parent class object. Before learning the super keyword, we must have the knowledge of inheritance. If you don't have knowledge of inheritance, then you will watch my video lecture inheritance, and after learn you will come to learn the super keyword in Java and the usage of super keyword in Java. There are three uses of the super keyword in Java: to access the data members of the parent class when the both parent and child class have the same member with the same name, and second point, to access the method of parent class when child class and the parent class both contains the same method, overridden method. Third point, to explicitly call the parent class constructor in child class. Okay, we will discuss all these 3 points with the practical demonstration using Eclipse ID. Let's see with practical. Close here, and this is the Eclipse, and click on the file, new, take a Java project. Here we need to write my project name and simply giving my project name as a super keyword demo, and click on the next and then finish. My project is played under Package Explorer, and simply explore it. Right click on the src, a pop-up menu display here, and click on the new and take a class. A dialog box will display here, and need here to write your class name, and simply giving my class name as class 1, and then check the public static void main method stub, and then click on the finish. It is taking little time. Okay, my class 1 is successfully created here with the main method, and again right click on the src, new, and take a class. Need here to write my class name, and simply giving my class name as a, and we don't have need the main method because I have already taken the main method in the class 1, so I leave here and then click on the finish. A class is successfully created here, and within the A class we are going to discuss the first point: to access the data member of parent class when both parent and child class have the member with same name. Okay, and just here I am going to create a variable x and initialize the value as a 20 and terminate it with semicolon. This is the member of the A class X, and save it. Again right click on the src, new, and take a class B, and we don't have need main method because I have already taken in the class 1, so I'll leave it and then click on the finish. B class extends the A class, means all the features of the A class come inside the B class, and here I am creating a variable x that contains the 20 value, and going to create a method display, and then right here system dot out dot println, and terminated with semicolon, and delete, and then write here this is the x variable of B class value, and then write here x. This statement will print the value of the x of the B class, and then copy it and paste here. Okay, and here I want to display the value of the parent class x variable, so we need to use the super keyword for accessing the value of variable x here with the super keyword. Super dot x simply access the x variable value from the parent class. So look here, the A class contains the x variable data members, and the value of A is 20, and within the B class it's also 20, so I simply change the value as a 10. Okay, and this x variable simply display the value of B class x variable, and we are calling here the super keyword with the dot operator and calling x. This statement simply print the value of parent class variable x, and this is my first point, and save it, come inside the class 1 and create the object of the B class, obj new B, and calling here the method display, and save it. Right click on the project, run as Java application. Okay, this is the x variable of B class value 10, and this is the x variable of A class value 20. You will understand, and then come inside the A class and comment it. We are going to discuss the second point. To access the method parent class when child class has overridden that method. Okay, means if the parent class and child class both have a method with the same name, on that case how to differentiate which is the parent class method and which is the child class method? On that case you will use the super keyword, and in this example I am going to explain. Here I am going to create a method public void display, and write here system dot out dot print ln, and write here this is A class display method, and save it. Come inside the B class, and delete this info, and delete this, and also delete this, and right here this is child, right here B class display method, and I am going to create another method public void hello, and within the hello I am calling the display method, and I am going to call the super class display method. So we need to write here super dot display and save it. Okay, and come inside the class 1 and call here the hello method and save it, and again run the project Java application. This is B class display method and this is E class display method. With the help of super keyword, we have to call the display method of the parent class. And if you write directly display, you will understand this is the display method of the B class, here calling into the hello method. Okay, and again come inside the E class and delete this info, and we are going to discuss the third point. 2. Explicitly call the parent class constructor in child class. Okay, I am going to create a constructor of the parent class E and write here system dot out dot println and write here simply this is E class constructor okay, and save it. Come inside B class and delete all this info, and I am going to create a constructor of the B class. Okay, and press enter, calling here the super method. You simply need here to write super and then bracket. This means this method call the super class constructor means E class constructor inside the V class constructor, and then write here system dot out dot println and write here simply this is B class constructor. Okay, and save it. You take care about that. The super method is the first statement in the column where you call, and if you write this statement above the super, then it will getting error. Look here, constructor call must be the first statement in a constructor. So cut it and paste below the super method and come inside the class 1 and delete this info, save it and run it. Okay, this is A class constructor, this is B class constructor. I hope you well understand the concept of the super keyword in Java. Thank you friend, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.